Hi there, welcome back to Riddle. It's time to release our poll, our employee survey out into the world. So let's go into the creator to do that. Wherever you are, whatever changes you've made, whether it's palette settings or to the content itself, click on publish and now publish again. And if you click on this link, you'll see the showcase version that runs through the Riddle server, and you can use it that way, or as most people do, you can embed the Riddle on your website or wherever you need it. So you just need to make sure that you've whitelisted the domain where you want to embed this Riddle so that no one can steal your content or your Riddle. And once you've done that, click on embed and get the code. And now copy this code and paste it onto your website creator, whether it's WordPress or any other platform. And then it will be on your website wherever you place that. Thank you very much for joining us on this poll expert journey from creating our content to setting up the design and settings. And I hope you enjoy creating your own polls, whether it's for your employees in internal use case like we had here, or whether it's for your customers or clients. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to write to us at academy@riddle.com or in our support chat on our website. And I look forward to seeing you in another workshop.